Hello friends, today we are going to see the different types of programming. There are different types of programming are present in the computers. The first is monolithic programming. As the name says, monolithic means a one function can perform a multiple task. We'll see in the details. The program which contains a single function for the large program is called as monolithic program. In monolithic program, not divided the program, it is a huge long piece of code that jump back and forth doing all the tasks like a single thread of execution. The program requires problem arises in a monolithic programming is that when the program size increase, it leads in inconvenience and difficult to maintain such as testing and debugging. There are many advantages as well as the disadvantages. There are many disadvantages are present in a monolithic programming. They are difficult to check the errors on a large program size. Difficult to maintain because of huge size. Code can be specific to a particular problem, that is, it cannot be reused. Mainly in the early languages like Fortran, COBOL, BASIC, and C are required on a huge workspace with a label areas that may does a specific task but not isolated. Next programming language is modular programming language. As the name suggests, modular, that means we are dividing our program in a different small modules. For the details, the process of subdividing a computer program into separate subprograms such as functions, subroutines is called as modular programming. Modular programming sometimes is also called as a structured programming because we are forming one proper structure for the particular operations, and on the basis of that it can divide your different functions. Modular program is the solution to the problem of very large programs that are difficult to debug, test, and maintain. A program module may be rewritten while inputs and outputs remain the same. The person making a chance by any changes can be understand a small portion of the original program. Third type is object oriented programming, that is OOP. In OOP is compatible with the modular programming and with the concept of large extent. Less code has to be written that makes shorter. A single procedure can be developed for reuse, eliminating the need to retype the code many times. A programs can be designed for easily because a small team deals with the only small part of an entire code. That means the huge amount of coding, right? The huge amount of coding will get divided into the subparts and the different naming conventions are given to those codes, and through that these codes we can use for the further requirements. Modular programming allows many programs to collaborate on the same applications. The code is stored across multiple files. Code is short, simple, and easy to understand. as well as we can modify it, make a simple to figure out how the program is operated, and reduce the likelihood of bugs. Errors can easily be identified as they are localized to subroutine or a functions or isolated to specific module. The same code can be reused in a many applications. The scoping of variables and the functions can easily control. Next, there are some disadvantages. It may take a longer to develop the program using this technique. But whatever the advantages we have seen, the disadvantages is negligible. So in this video, we have seen the three types of programming. The first is monolithic, the second is modular, and the third is object-oriented programming, which is currently using, that is object-oriented programming, and all the different languages which are there in the market are all are purely object-oriented programming languages. Thank you.